Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to bird watching the Great Green Macaw in Heartopia. So to bird watching this bird or to unlock the info cards of this bird, you need to go to the fishing village and join the nest of hundreds of fans like this. And these birds will spawn all the time, but it only spawns at the sunny and rainbow weather. So just go to the fishing village on here, over here, and then just join this event, this nest of hundreds event. You can just join this event when it's hosted by Belly J every 5 p.m. Or you can also just start it yourself by pay with the 2,000 coins, and after that just join the event and then walk around to bird watching the birds like usual until you found the Great Green Macaw like this. This one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.